Or chicken lang? Sarap.
Naghahanap ba kayo mga kagimik ng dekalidad na edukasyon para sa inyong mga anak? Kung ganun, bakit hindi subukan ng Asian Institute of E-Commerce o AIE College? Be part of their vision. Ang AIE mga kagimik ay isang premier educational institution na nagbibigay ng abot-kaya, dekalidad at computer-centered education. Nais din nila mga kagimik na maging globally competitive ang kanilang mga graduates. Kaya naman sa ating episode mga kagimik, samahan nyo kaming pasyalan ang AIE College na matatagpuan sa Angeles City, Pampanga. Ako po si Aiselyn David at ito ang Trip, Trip at Gimik.
Patuloy na lumakas ang industriya ng information technology at business process outsourcing mga kagimik. Ayon sa pag-aaral na ginawa at pinamagatang Survey of Information Technology Business Process Outsourcing Services na ginawa ng Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas, umabot daw sa $12.1 billion ang kinita ng industriya. Lumago ito sa 20.1% kung ihahambing sa $10.1 billion noong nakaraang taon. Ipinaliwanag ng Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas mga kagimik na ngayon lamang nila inilabas ang laman ng pagsusuri sapagkat tumagal ang survey. Kumita daw lahat ang contact centers, transcription, animation, software development at iba pang BPOs. Ang contact centers ang nakatamo ng 56.5% ng buong kita ng industriya at nanatili ang Pilipinas na contact center capital ng daigdig matapos maungusan ang bansang India noong pang 2010. Ganyan ka-in-demand mga kagimik ang mga information technology courses sa ating bansa. Kaya naman sa paghahandang pasukin ng kursong IT, ang Asian Institute of E-Commerce ay naghahandog ng mga kurso sa information technology na maghahanda sa mga bagong graduate na maging globally competitive.
AIE College is Asian Institute of E-Commerce College. So e-commerce or electronic commerce, that is business online. And so we specialize in information technology, business management, as well as hotel and restaurant services. So envisioned as a provider of quality education, AIE College was founded in 2003. And so to date, AIE College has 13 branches nationwide. And here that includes AIE College Angeles Campus. AIE College focuses not only in the academe, but also focuses on the values that the students will learn, and we prepare them to become God-fearing leaders in the future.
Ayon kay Charity Mary Sinicero, AIE College Angeles Campus President, mahalaga sa AIE ang paghubog sa kagandahang asal ng kanilang mga estudyante maliban sa pag-angat sa kursong kanilang napili.
We make sure that our students acquire quality education and as well as equip them with strong Christian values. Our students are also trained to become responsible professionals with deep sense of sensitivity of his person and respect to his fellow men, and to live a true Christian life.
Tila naman mga kagimik naging advokasya na ng AIE na tumulong sa mga estudyante as AIE aims to reach out to the less privileged students sa pamamagitan ng pagbibigay ng ayuda tulad ng Presidential Scholarship.
President's Scholarship grants are given to freshman students. So for the terms and conditions, they must enroll at least 15 units. They must not incur any failing grades during the term of the college, and they must continue their studies until they graduate. Under the President's Scholarship, you can take up courses like e-commerce or the electronic commerce. We have the information technology, we have the business and information management, and the hotel and restaurant services. Okay, for the President's Scholarship grant, 100% tuition fee discount is given. So for the entire duration of the studies of the students, they are entitled to such a discount, tuition fee discount.
Ito naman ang pahayag ni Albert Cabrera, ang school director ng AIE ukol sa kanilang pasilidad.
Okay, AIE College Angeles Campus, one of the top colleges here in Pampanga. In terms of academics, what we are doing is that we follow the standards given by the Commission on Higher Education and Technical Education and Skills Development Authority so that our graduates can compete in this competitive world and able to land a job, even though there's a lot of job seekers all throughout the Philippines. And also we are training them to develop their skills and talents. So we are encouraging them to get involved and be part of different school activities and organizations such as dance troupe, glee club, theater arts, pep squad, and even sports organization. At AI College, we wanted our students to feel happy in studying with us so that I think and I believe that learning may be easy if you feel comfortable with the people around you. That is one of the unique identity of the AI College to any other institution. And then with regards to facilities, all our classrooms is all air-conditioned classrooms. And then we do have the Wi-Fi campus. So from ground floor up to rooftop, you can connect with our internet connection. And then of course, they are secured enough if they are inside the campus because naka-CCTV camera tayo dito. Okay, we do have these first-class facilities. Okay, kung mapapansin nyo yung library natin, we do have this electronic library, which is, aside from books, we do have sets of computers with unlimited access of internet. So, pwede silang mag-browse over the net, aside from sa mga books. And then, we're using LCD projectors sa mga reporting. Ayan, so talagang aside from, yun nga, talagang makakita nila yung proper na reporting when it comes to subject matters.
Sa pagbibigay halaga sa edukasyon ng AIE College, mga kagimik, maraming scholarship grant ang ipinagkakaloob nila. Ito rin ang kanilang kasagutan sa mga less fortunate students na nais makapagtapos ng pag-aaral.
We do have different types of scholarships. So first one, we do have this academic scholarship. So sa mga academic scholarship naman, automatically once you are graduated as valedictorian, salutatorian, or honorable mention, automatically once you endorsed by your principal or guidance counselor sa high school, yun, makaka-avail ka kaagad automatically ng academic scholarship. And then we do have also the pastoral scholarship. So yun sa mga parang special scholarship namin doon, which is kung member ka ng church, you can avail for a pastoral scholarship. And then other scholarships such as meron din kaming mga politician scholarship sa mga SKs, barangay captain. And then we do have this Alliance in Motion Global Scholars. And a lot more scholarship pa. Parang depending on the approval ng management. We do have also this athletic scholarship. So ito yung mga students na talagang mahilig sa mga sports such as basketball, volleyball, track and field, swimming, chess, badminton.
Bago ako nag-aaral dito, nagtatrabaho muna ako. Tapos nung may sinabi sa akin na may 100% scholarship dito sa AIE, nagpa siya ako mag-tryout para mas malaking opportunity yun kasi makakapag-aral na ako at meron pa akong diplomang hawak. Marami kaming matutunan at sa varsity, nai-improve pa namin yung mga skills namin sa basketball.
Dahil sa talento sa pagsayaw, napagpatuloy naman ng ating kagimik na si Mylene Muñoz ang kanyang pag-aaral at ngayon ay graduating student na.
Nalaman ko po yung pong scholarship sa dance group. Nakita ko po sa bulletin board na nakapost po yun. So, nagkaroon po ako ng chance na gusto ko pong sumali sa dance group. Nung pong nakapasok po ako sa dance group, nagpasalamat ko po dahil nagkaroon po ako ng chance para po matulungan po ako ng school na makapag-aral. Kasi po dapat po, hindi na po talaga ako mag-aaral. Kasi po dahil po kasi kinausap po ako ni Ma'am Aviles na ituloy ko po yung pag-aaral ko basta po sumayang ako. So yun po yung 100% na nakukuha ko pong scholarship sa AIE Dance Troupe. Malaking tulong din po ito sa akin dahil sa pagsasayaw po, nakakapag-aral po ako. Nagpapasalamat po ako sa AIE College dahil po sa kanila, nakakapag-aral po ako ngayon. Dahil kung hindi rin po dahil sa kanila, wala po ako ngayon dito. malaking tulong po talaga yung nabibigay na scholarship sa amin, lalong-lalo na po sa mga parents namin.
Mga kagimik, may WHIW radio naman ng AIE College. Ito ang kanilang campus radio kung saan nagiging training ground ng mga estudyanteng nagnanais maging professional radio disc jocks in the future. Paano naman kaya nagsimula ang naturang radio station?
Meron na po kaming mga materials dito and they are ginagamit sila sa mga sa mga sound ng school, and since na may advisor kami na nakita yung materials and naisip niya merong mga students na may kakayahang ipakita yung kanilang skills sa sa radyo, pagiging radio jockey. Naghanap siya ng mga estudyante na pwedeng maging radio jockeys ng AIE Wiz Radio. So, yun, nagpa-audition siya, nagpa-workshop siya, and then nakita niya kami. So, nagsimula to nung January pa this year. So, yun nga, nakita niya kami, nag-start na kami, and then yun, patuloy na. Tapos, itong Wiz Radio, nakakatulong siya na i-enhance yung confidence ng DJs. And then, syempre, dun sa mga walang background sa pag-DJ, baka kapag gusto nila, may training kaming ginagawa para sa kanila.
At saka kapag may announcements, para mas madaling malaman ng mga estudyante na hindi nila agad nalalaman, kami po ang nagpapating sa kanila ng mga announcement na, lalo na pa po ang mga biglang announcement na kailangan malaman ng mga estudyante, kami po ang nagsasabi sa kanila. Kinakalap po namin yun para alam po nila kung ano po ang mga nangyayari sa school namin.
Malaki din pala ang benepisyong nakukuha ng mga kagimik nating mga DJs sa AIE College.
Sa scholarship, aside from, kasi may malaki ang benefit kapag ikaw isang radio jockey, di ba? Aside sa magiging sikat ka sa school, meron kaming incentive sa grades at meron din kaming discount depending on the performance.
Laking pasalamat naman ng ating kagimik na si Maria Wella Federipe, isang student assistant dahil sa scholarship na kanyang natatanggap sa AIE College.
Business Information Management po yung kinuha kong course dito sa Asian Institute of E-Commerce. The first time na nalaman ko yung AIE, I was so impressed na meron pa palang school na affordable and at the same time has a good quality. And I apply as an student assistant and on-the-spot training po ako. Actually, that time I'm so nervous, but I learned to be optimistic. And I believe na makakaya ko naman. So, yung on-the-spot training ko na yon, napasa naman ako. 15 days akong nag-train, and afterwards, naging na akong official SA, student assistant. So, first time na medyo parang aloof pa ako sa mga tao, but when I learned their environment, syempre, na-adapt ko yon. So, nung tumagal ako, and ngayon, napatunayan ko na sa AIE talaga ang saya-saya at ikaw ang bida. So, ngayon, in-earn ko po yung future ko, and at the same time, moving forward para mapabuti yung pag-aaral ko. Siyempre, madalang lang po makakuha ng scholarship na full 100%. So, wala pong binabayaran, and at the same time, it helped me a lot, lalo na po sa family ko, na hindi ko na po kailangan magtrabaho sa labas, sa ibang lugar para makapag-aral. So, I believe na ang AIE po ay magiging way para po sa pag-better ng future. The school is so awesome. The campus is prestigious, and at the same time, maganda yung quality ng pagtuturo. Natututo ako, marami akong natututunan. Hindi lang sa course ko, kung hindi malawak. Malawak yung tinuturo.
Ano naman kaya ang benepisyong na ibibigay sa'yo bilang student assistant?
Advantages ko, hindi po ako nagbabayad ng miscellaneous fee like others. Nagbabayad po yung iba. So ako po hindi kasi student assistant po ako. And yung benefits ng pagiging natututo kang mag-hard work, syempre nagiging kang more initiative, yung nagiging kang tumatayo ka sa sarili mong paa, nagiging kang independent, tas natututo ka para hindi lang basta maging student, kung hindi, employee na yan para sa paghahanda sa hinaharap.
Kamustahin naman natin mga kagimik ang kalidad ng edukasyon na ibinibigay ng AIE College sa kanilang mga estudyante. Kaakibat din ito ang values formation na isa ring susi upang magtagumpay sa buhay.
Isa sa pinagmamalaki ng school natin, AIE College, is the competent teachers that we have. So most of them, they are doctorate and master's degree. So aside from that, top caliber sila sa mga subject na tinuturo nila. Hindi basta teacher ka, ituturo mo na kahit anong subject. Meron silang specialty na tinatawag. So kung ano sila, Masters in Information Technology, definitely sa mga major subject ng mga IT, yun yung mga tinuturo nila. We follow the standards given by Commission on Higher Education, CHED, and then Technical Education and Skills Development Authority, which is TESDA. So dun sa standard pa lang na yun, and aside from dun sa standard na yun, we go beyond the standard actually. So talagang nakikipag-compete talaga yung mga estudyante namin, and then a lot of graduates na rin ng AIE which is successful sa kanilang napiling career.
Actually, I'm a certified public accountant and I'm already in my retirement years. But for my desire also to be able to be part of the development of the students here, I opted to teach not only accounting subjects, not only technical subjects, but especially values formation. Because I believe that for a man to be successful, we have to develop the 4 dimensions of a man's character. That is mental, emotional, spiritual, and what's the other one? Physical. So I believe in that, and I think the school also believe in it. That's why we have subjects like purpose-driven life, wherein we develop awareness on how a person will live according to the Word of God. To all the students who wanted to be successful in their lives, I would recommend AIE because I know, first of all, the tuition is not that high. Secondly, we are developing the technical knowledge and, of course, the character of the person for them to be successful.
Mga kagimik, alam nyo ba na taong 2003 nang itatag ang Asian Institute of E-Commerce sa pangunguna ni Dr. Avelio Fuentes. He envisioned to be a dynamic provider of quality education to shape the nation's landmark in the world arena of information technology. Naging in-demand din mga kagimik sa ating bansa, maging sa ibayong dagat, ang culinary arts. Dito sa AIE College Angeles, hindi lamang basic ang maaari niyong matutunan.
We offer HRS start with 2008